my name's Evan with Across International, and today we're taking a look at one of our larger vertical tube furnaces. As you may know, we specialize in high temperature furnaces, vertical tube furnaces included. Our VTFs can hit temperatures ranging from 1,200 Celsius up to 1,700 Celsius. We also provide a wide range of tube sizes as well as tube materials. For example, this unit behind us is one of our larger vertical tube furnaces. It's got 3 heating zones and a 250 millimeter OD tube made of silicon carbide. In addition to silicon carbide, we can also offer tube materials such as quartz, aluminum ceramic, stainless steel, Hastelloy, as well as many other alloys. In addition to our sizes and temperature ranges, we can also provide custom-built configurations, turnkey solutions including vacuum pumps and mass flow controllers, as well as certifications like UL, CSA, and CE for compliance in more demanding laboratory environments. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss our vertical tube furnaces in more detail, please don't hesitate to give us a call or reach out online at acrossinternational.com.